This green chicken fry is a tastier alternative to the ordinary chicken fry, incorporating vibrant green leafy goodness, making it more healthier. It's the perfect fusion of indulgence and nutrition, proving that you can have your chicken and eat it healthily too. Let's dive into this green culinary journey. Step 1 is preparing the masala paste. These are all the ingredients that we are going to grind to make a paste. A whole bunch of coriander leaves, half a bunch of mint leaves, 10 to 12 green chilies, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2-inch piece of ginger, 12 to 15 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, and the juice of 2 whole limes. You can use curd instead of the lime, but I personally avoid using curd with non-veg recipes, as I read somewhere that as per Ayurveda, curd shouldn't be used with meat. I may be wrong, but since then I try to avoid this combination as much as possible. Now grind all this into a smooth paste. The masala paste is ready. Step 2 is marinating the chicken. I have taken 1 kg 250 grams of chicken here, and I will marinate it with some salt, turmeric and the masala paste that we just prepared. Mix it all well. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, break in a whole egg, add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, mix it all well. I have used a pinch of green food color just for the sake of this video. You could totally skip it. Allow it to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. The more the better. I had left it for around 3 to 4 hours in the fridge. Step 3 is frying the chicken. Take some oil in a kadai and let it get really hot. I am dropping some batter and checking if the oil is hot. Once the oil is hot, drop in the chicken pieces one by one. Do not overcrowd the oil. Fry the chicken in medium hot oil for around 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can see that none of the batter has left the chicken. The coating has stuck to the chicken strongly and it is going to be super crunchy. You could have it as a starter or as a side of biryani or rice or anything that your heart wishes for. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.